Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain Newton's three laws of motion and provide some examples of them, starting with the first law, the law of inertia, which states objects will remain at rest or in motion until acted upon by an external force. Now, you might be wondering, how is any of this related to Star Wars Battlefront 2? Well, let me explain. In this situation, the Jedi are the objects, and Kylo, more specifically his pull and freeze abilities, are the outside forces that change the motion of our heroes.
Evil team takes the lead. Witness the power of the dark side.
The next law I'm going to cover is the law of action-reaction. Now, I'm completely aware that it's actually the third law of motion, but I'm doing it second. Anyways, the law of action-reaction states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, in this example, the turret of the Flak Panzer is launched into the air before coming back down and hitting the ground. According to Newton's third law, both the ground and the turret are exerting an equal force against each other. The last law I'm going to cover today is Newton's second law, the law of acceleration, which states the acceleration of an object is proportional to the force exerted on it and inversely proportional to the mass. Put simply, the law is basically saying heavier objects will need more force to move than lighter objects. For example, a tank will accelerate at a slower rate than a jeep, which is exactly what is demonstrated in our next clip, where we race a Warthog and a Scorpion tank. But how is any of this biblically relevant? Well, in 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 49, talks about how David threw a stone at Goliath's head, which caused him to hit the ground. It also happens to be a perfect example of action-reaction, because the ground is exerting an equal force against Goliath's massive body.